this was your first time attending this event. So what did you think of it and how was the experience for you?
I was extremely impressed by how you all conceptualized it, how you delivered it, how you planned it. It's a wonderful, I think it's the first of its kind in the housing sector, in the affordable housing sector. And it's very impressive. The speakers you had, the panels you had, the content and the audience. So my hat's off to you, and may many others copy you because that's what this market needs, so well done.
There was one more thing that you had mentioned, which was about having shared appliances in buildings.
Can I tell you about that? Yeah, that's very important. So typically, if we just put up the building shell and outfitted, and everybody buys their own little low-income unit within there,
right,
or affordable unit, then gradually they will buy appliances. They may not afford to buy the star-rated appliances.
Right.
They may buy the cheapest, which are energy inefficient, if everybody is buying appliances at their budget level and so on.
Right.
So my idea was that inside each unit, which is after all only 60 square meters, you give them a small box fridge, which is super efficient. You give them a 2-plate hot plate, which is electric cooking.
Right.
And you give them some kind of a super efficient ceiling fan as part of the what they're buying. And then downstairs in the common area, you have shared like large laundry machines,
right,
which are very water efficient, energy efficient, and so on. And people on a rotating schedule
right,
use those. And you employ a couple of people to manage those
right,
shared assets.
Right.
Then you have a common room which is air conditioned, like for a heat emergency.
Right.
You need air conditioning in that common room. If people have to save lives, they have to go there and
right,
turn on the AC.
Right.
You have a creche in the building.
Okay.
You have, you're creating employment as well. And you have also a fridge that's like a huge fridge that could be with lockers so that everybody can keep their goods, safe.
Yeah.
So then you are ensuring energy efficiency for the real use. You can even have a shared cooking space.
Yeah.